Hey people, this is Stuart Smith from STUARTIZM Designs. This is my wife's favorite table. Now we bought this 12 years ago at an auction for $1. It has a really cool base to it. We spent more on the bolts to put it together than we actually bought the table and 3 chairs that went with it. It has an awesome inlay, but they screwed up when they used shellac rather than lacquer or any form of epoxy clear coat. So it doesn't matter if you put a glass on it and it condensates on there and it just leaves all sorts of nasties. So we're gonna sand this bad boy down, clean it up. I may have to stain some certain areas, but the end thing is we're using the Envirotex-lite 2-part epoxy to put a thick, nice clear coat on this, give it 2 days to dry, and we'll put it back up in the new living room. So hey, let's get this bad boy started. Enjoy the video, people. Please like, subscribe, and hey, we'll see you on the next video. You take care. Well, they may have used shellac. The age of the table is telling me whatever it is, it's nasty. I've been sanding for quite a while and it's just not touching it. So we are going to strip this bad boy. Try to get it down. So I have this awesome stuff, you guys get it, it's not too expensive. Picking up true value, but it is, here you go, zip strip. It is a water-based stripper, so it's not caustic like some of the other ones. It is somewhat paste, but can be spread around with a paintbrush. So we're gonna put that on there. And I'm gonna start moving that stuff around. And just wait for a second. It doesn't smell bad either. That's a glory thing. So we're just gonna start moving around. What we'll do is then let her sit. Start eating some of this stuff. It's a pain in the butt. You're gonna have to sit there and scrape it off with a putty knife. But it is nice that this stuff will clean up. So you don't have to worry about a reaction with a new stain or a clear coat or anything like that. So it doesn't really take a lot. I'm just moving around, and this is gonna clean this up real nice. And then I'll be able to do a better sanding because there's some dinks and broken spots. And we just want to take care of all that, make it nice for Chrissy. And I'm hoping that this will just eat it. Yeah. My daughter is doing a whole bunch of furniture. We've been scarfing furniture from the local Goodwill and Salvation Army and places like that. Stuff's in real good shape, hardwood. Like this one here, this is a solid piece of wood. This is not veneered. So we like to buy furniture that is only solid. So that way you can have fun with it. Now, I wanted to do a bunch of stuff to this, but I was told that that would be naughty. Chrissy thinks it the way it is. I'm gonna keep it that way. Don't touch it other than that. So I had to make a swear. No messing with it. No doing a pour or cool glitters or anything like that. I have to keep it the way it is. All right, people. She's coated, and we're gonna let her sit. See what happens in a couple hours. Start scraping on it. Okay, people. I have switched over to 40 grit sandpaper. Okay, 'cause the other stuff was not even touching it. But after putting the remover on there, letting it sit for 2 hours, now we're using the 40 grit. I mean, look at that. That is gorgeous. They got this really nice inlay you could barely see before. And that's gonna be nice. But once I get that done, I'm not even gonna sand it. We're gonna sit there and just clear it as is. That looks cool. So we just got the other area to remove. Go around on the edges. Then I'll hit it with some 320, and then maybe 600. So she's like smooth as a baby's butt. And then we'll sit there and conquer with the 2-part epoxy. Boo-ah. All right, she sat up overnight. Stain is dry. Getting ready to do my 2-part epoxy. So we're gonna get that going. I got a hair dryer here to take care of any bubbles. It kind of freaks me out to do the flame thing, so I like a hair dryer. Makes me feel more confident. So let's get her going. Boo-ah.